Wow, very nice place, and you can see the excavator is waiting there. Oh my god, the sun is right now. Not only one excavator, it have two excavator. Wow, so nice. The model number is 320B and another model number is 321. Wow, very nice place, and you can see the excavator is waiting there. Oh my god, the sun is right now. Not only one excavator, it have two excavator. Wow, so nice. The model number is 320B and another model number is 321. A model excavator. Wow, let's go and look the excavator. Oh my god, very nice. Look, another truck is waiting and the sandy road is wow, so nasty. Look, dear friends, let's go. What is the excavator? Oh my god, the two excavator waiting and the sandy road is so nasty. Yeah, really, it's so nasty. Look, oh my god, the truck is coming here and this is the Tata brand truck. Yes, I know. Oh my god, lighting, your light, the lighting, yeah. The 10 while Tata brand, it is the Tata brand truck. Do you like the Tata brand? Yes, oh my god, the sandy road is so nasty. Yes, the sandy road, look, I think the Tata brand is stop here and turn round and go back. Where is the excavator? Yes, oh my god, 10 while truck, so excited, right? Yes, this is a look so nice, I think. Yes, sandy road is so damaged. It's for just a quarter support and vehicle. It's for the make parties are so tight. Oh my god, I think, yes. This is another truck, is Aisha brand. Oh my god, one side is Tata brand and another side is Aisha brand. Look, now we can see, yes, this is Aisha brand and it's go back. Where is the excavator? Yes, let's look on the atom. Yes, power. Oh my god, Aisha brand power is so nice. Go back. Yes. Oh my god, it's stuck. Oh my god, it's no good. Yes, come forward. Yes, come. Oh my god, very black smoke. Oh my god, very black smoke. Yes. Yes, let's go. Let's go. Yes, oh my god, let's go back, go. Oh my god, stop, the Aisha brand. Right now you can see the Aisha brand is stop and again move back. Where is the excavator? I think the excavator left some back side and left side truck, left side road. Oh my god, look the back side, how it is a very dangerous road. Yes, let's go. Yes, oh my god, really, it is a not so good road. Yeah, I think, yes, baby, you're right, the Tata front. And look, the side is a more have water. It's it is a very dangerous road, I think. Yeah, do you like the place? Yes, this is on the river side here. Oh my god, lighting, do you like the brand and Tata brand truck, yeah? And you like that cat excavator? I know, baby. Hey, baby, you are like the excavator. Look how, oh my god, very dangerous position right now. Look at the bottom side, the two while and the temper is so high, and let's go slowly. I think we are staying nearby the excavator. Oh my god, let's go and start. Dear friends, what is here? This is the cat excavator and it is period 2B model. Yeah, it has many parts. Yes, the excavator have many parts and right now we can see the excavator is loading the truck. Look, the truck box is done right now and some the sand. Oh my god, look. Yes, oh my god. Right now we can see how the excavator is loaded the sand on the truck box here. Do you like this? Oh my god, very much. Yeah, do you like this? Yes, I love it. Baby, you like the video? Yeah, I know. Look, the bucket. Oh my god, many sand on the bucket. it, oh my god, I think over it, oh my god. Do you like this? Yes, baby. Please like and subscribe my channel. And do you like the bucket video and excavator dump truck? If you please subscribe, baby. And look, that tow dump truck is over here, and the tow excavator is loading, full loaded. Then the truck is really cool. Oh my god, it's ready. Oh my god. Look here. Yeah. Oh my god. Go. Yes. Calm down. Yeah, calm down. Yes. Oh my god. My god. Look, the driver is working so hard every day and until long work here. Oh my god. Not only that. Not only the two, look, another truck is already full loaded and moving here, and I think Tata brand is very soon moving here. We can see, oh my god. And look, another side, the excavator, oh my god, the sand is moved down, oh my god, it is crazy style, oh my god. Already the brand is loaded, and oh my god, look another side. Yes, oh my god, blood is so good. Yes, oh my god. Look, the water, it is very dangerous point, I think. Side of the river, oh my god. Look. If you like this video, I know. I know you like this video. Yes, baby. Look the bucket, how it movement. Oh my god, it's top right now. Yes. Move down, yes. Oh my god, so nice. Oh my god, already full loaded, and we can see the excavator is cool back, and I think the excavator bucket is push the truck. Yes, let's go. Oh my god, already done. Oh my god, let's go. Yes, this is the Tata brand truck and move here. Full loaded truck, oh my god, very black is smoke right now, and look the sky, oh my god, already the truck is hot. Oh my god, and again the tin oil truck, and look the bottom side, oh my god, already on the sandy road in the middle point, oh my god, look the poor oil, oh my god, let's go, how the sound right now, oh my god. I think very soon the truck is stopped on the middle road slowly, oh my god, yes, slowly, let's go, my god, and nearby the oil, oh my god, already down the tin oil, oh my god, is stop and again move right now, oh my god, oh my god, right now I can see the black is smoking, and the truck is not move right now, and oh my god, it's move right now, yes, oh my god, the lighting, yeah, and the sandy is calm down, oh my god, yes, we can see another truck is go back right, where is the excavator, yes, some of the truck is waiting here. Look how the nice place and the weather, oh my god, the white cloud is so nice, and the blue sky, let's go. We can see another excavator, another truck is also brown, is go back right now, I can see it is stopped, oh my god, yes, already that tin while is stopped on the sandy road, yes, move forward, yes, move forward, oh my god. Oh my god, it's not go back right now, already stopped, yes, the engine is so nice, I think, yes, again, yes, again, go back, David, do you like the excavator and the dump truck video, yes, if you like the video, please subscribe my channel and like the video and sharing. Look the water, oh my god, do you think it is the very dangerous road for the full loaded truck, yes, right, I think this is the very beautiful place, yes, the white smoke cloud on the sky, and the blue color, oh my god, really combination is so nice, and we can see excavator waiting, and the truck is go back there, and we can see another truck is coming here, and wait some time for loaded the sandy, yes, another truck already, it is the tin oil, yes, nearby the truck, look how very beautiful.